Hong Kong and Macau have suspended use of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine after a batch of it was found with packaging defects. Health officials stress that there are no safety concerns for those who have already received their first dose. Roland Lim with this report.
The problem lies with the first batch of 585,000 doses it received earlier from Germany, out of which 150,000 doses have already been used on patients here in Hong Kong. But within that 150,000 doses, it was found about 60 had problems with its vial seals. Some were found with the seals loose. Others were found to have cracks on it or stains outside of the vials themselves, and 22 other reports, of course, of leakages outside those vials. This was reported to Fosun Pharmaceutical, that's BioNTech's Asian partner, who then, in a risk management protocol, informed both the Hong Kong and Macau government to suspend the inoculation program of the doses for the time being until it carries out further investigations. Now, they will be examining the supply chain and logistics chain of the doses from the time it left its plant in Germany and made its way to Hong Kong. It will also be doing a thorough inspection of its plant in Germany before submitting a thorough report for Hong Kong to decide whether or not the first batch of its doses here can still be used.
咁而呢一個暫停嘅處理咧，都係為着一個謹慎起見，係一個預防性嘅措施。喺目前嚟講咧，亦都冇理由嚟去見到咧係存在咗一個嘅即係安全嘅風險。
The other thing that the government is also saying that for those who have already been injected with the BioNTech dose, the first dose, they still have between anything from 19 to 42 days before taking the second jab. Now, the government, of course, is saying that it hopes that everything will be resolved before then and there will be clarity of the situation, but it is advising people not to take a second dose of another vaccine program.
Yeah, I mean, it's a shame. I took the morning off work to do this, but, you know, I trust what's going on. I trust that they're taking the utmost safety precautions, and so when they tell me I can come get a vaccine again, I'll be right back here.
Remember, Hong Kong currently offers 2 vaccine programs. Now, that program is still ongoing, so the BioNTech suspension will do little to derail the government's current vaccination strategy in Hong Kong.